Are you new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and don't know where to start? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. And we're starting right now. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I give you the tools, the tips, and the tactics that you need to get the most out of your money. And today, once again, we're talking Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy and sell your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using both Coinbase and the Coinbase Pro app. Okay, so we're gonna start off right in the Coinbase Pro app. Now, if you sign up for Coinbase, you automatically have an account with Coinbase Pro. I recommend using Coinbase Pro just because it's basically exactly the same, just you have more options of coins to buy and the fees are a little bit lower. So if you sign up for Coinbase, I'll leave a link in the description below. They'll give you $10 free just for signing up. With that said, in the Coinbase Pro app here, how do we buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency? You can see right up at the top here, we have our pairings, Bitcoin to US dollar, Ethereum to US dollar, Ripple to US dollar. Most of the time, we're gonna be trading with US dollar, at least if you're in the United States like I am. I deposit my US dollar onto Coinbase Pro into my account. You can see, this is my portfolio here so far. I have a US dollar portfolio there, a third one down. I have $100 in cash sitting there now, which I'm gonna use to invest right now. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the other pairings. Like if you wanted to trade crypto to crypto, like here, Ethereum to Bitcoin. You can do that if you like, or the other way around. But for the most part, we'll stick to our fiat currency to the cryptocurrency we wanna buy. So I have $100 sitting in my account here to buy some crypto with, so let's do it. First things first, you merely select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So I want to buy Bitcoin with my US dollars, so I select that. Just like in your stock trading apps or anything like that, it brings up your trading screen. It's pretty easy to understand. You got your graph of the recent price movements. Down at the bottom, you got your options to buy or sell. Right now we're going to buy, so we click buy. And again, just like any stock trading app, you have your limit orders or your market orders, which I explained in a previous video. I'll link below if you haven't checked that out to know the difference between those. I'm just gonna go with a market order for right now. And I had $100 in there. Let's buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. So you can do it by percentage here as you see above the keypad, or I can just type in $50. I'm gonna pay a 25-cent fee on the transaction. So unlike most stock apps, there is a fee to trading Bitcoin and crypto. Again, that's why I prefer Coinbase Pro to Coinbase, is that fee is just a little bit lower, adds up over the long run. So with my $50 of USD that I'm gonna buy Bitcoin with, I am going to get 0.00264 Bitcoins. So I will preview my order. Again, it brings up a confirmation screen. I hit the green button again, place buy order. Boom. I just bought $50 worth of Bitcoin. Now, if I want to go back, let's say I want to buy, another cryptocurrency. I mainly stick to investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have a handful of XRP, which is Ripple from back in the day when 2017 when I got started investing in crypto, much like everyone else. But these days I'm only buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's buy that. Again, I click into it, pretty easy. My chart for this, I want to buy, exact same process. I got my $50 worth. Whoa. All right, good example. I put my 50 into the amount of coins I want to buy, and that would have cost me $28,000. Good thing I caught myself before I made a huge mistake on camera. What I didn't do is up the top, I didn't change it from limit to markets. So with a market order, I just enter in $50, which is the amount I want to buy, and I get the going rate, of the price, whatever it is. With a limit order, again, you're setting the price that you want to buy the coins or the stocks at. So $50, again, a 25-cent fee. This is going to get me 0.086 ethers, I don't know what they're called. So again, preview order, brings up the confirmation screen. Yep, I like it. Let's go. Place the order and confirmed. Success. Great success. So then I can move over to this on the bottom here. This little pie chart shows me my portfolio, my total balance. Now, I mentioned in a previous video, you never want to hold your coins on an exchange like this. What I do is every month or so, I will transfer my balance off of this onto my Ledger cold storage wallet. I recommend you do that. Never hold your coins on the exchanges. You don't want to get hacked and lose them or anything like that. So I don't do it every time I make a trade. I let a little balance build up and then I transfer it over at regular intervals. You do what works for you. All right, so I showed you how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum on Coinbase Pro. As you can imagine, if you were looking to sell, it's the exact same process. You just hit the red sell button instead of the green buy button. Couldn't be easier. So now let's take a look at regular Coinbase, not Coinbase Pro, and see how it's done over there and see what the differences are. Okay, so now here we are in the regular Coinbase app. You can see it looks kind of the same. You have your list of coins which you are able to buy. Instead of just giving their ticker symbol, where BTC, ETH, XRP, you also get the name. So for true beginners, this might be a little easier. No mistakes on what you're gonna buy. So again, say I wanna buy Bitcoin here on the Coinbase app. I click on Bitcoin, it brings up the price, again, the price graph. Just like a stock, you can look at different time ranges. And I click buy, and again, I don't have any US dollars in Coinbase here, but if I did, I would enter in the amount I want to buy. And the cool thing with Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro is you see right here under the dollar amount, I'll just type in, say I want to buy $100, where it says right there under the 100, it says one-time purchase. I can change that, and within Coinbase, you can set up recurring purchases. So I can specify if I want to invest if I want to buy $100 in Bitcoin, I can do it as a one-time purchase, or I can set up recurring where it will invest $100 into Bitcoin every day, every week, twice a month on the 15th and 1st, and then every month. So if you want to dollar cost average your way into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you can do that automatically on the Coinbase app. Coinbase Pro doesn't let you set up these recurring purchases. You have to manually make the purchase each time. But on Coinbase, you can set up recurring purchases. So say you want to invest $1,000 into Bitcoin, but obviously the price swings up and down greatly. It's very volatile. So, you want to dollar cost your average in. You can set it up. I'll invest $10 a week into Bitcoin. It'll invest $10 every week, and then you'll probably have to stop it once you hit your $1,000, or any other variation thereof. I could do $100 a month until I hit my $1,000, $100 a day, whatever you want to do. So that's the cool thing about Coinbase, is you can set up automatic recurring purchases of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So other than that, the regular Coinbase app is exactly the same as Coinbase Pro. They are both super simple to use. I recommend for any beginners, use Coinbase Pro. There are other trading exchanges for crypto out there that the pros and more experienced users prefer. But as far as ease of use and getting your feet wet, getting started, stick with Coinbase. It's the biggest, it's the most popular, and it's probably the most trusted as well. So you can't go wrong investing on Coinbase. So we just saw buying Bitcoin or other crypto on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase is super simple. You just pick the coin you want to buy, enter in the amount you want to buy, and hit the buy button. It's that easy. Again, the major differences are on Coinbase Pro, you get slightly less fees on each transaction. You can set limit orders on Coinbase Pro, meaning you set the exact price at which your transaction will trigger. Also, Coinbase Pro has more coins available for you to buy. It has more than general Coinbase, but it has less than a lot of the exchanges that, the more experienced and hardcore cryptocurrency people use. So for those reasons, I prefer Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. The only advantage to Coinbase regular Coinbase, Coinbase proper, whatever you want to call it, Coinbase over Coinbase Pro, is on Coinbase, you can set up those recurring purchases. So that's the advantage of Coinbase over Coinbase Pro. Otherwise, go with Coinbase Pro. Again, I'll put the link in the description to sign up. You get like $10 worth of free Bitcoin or something like that. So try it out. If you have any other questions about using it or anything like that, leave me a comment down below. I'll answer it as best I can. Check out these videos over here. They will make you better with your money, whether that's Bitcoin or stocks or whatever else. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, and I hope to see you in the next video.